snip off the top of your hair so it's out of the way. Now bring in front the remaining hair and then comb it out. Use any glove to protect your fingers, especially if you are very sensitive to heat. Take about 1 inch of a section of hair and clamp near the root, and with your other hand position it on top of the iron as so. Lift the iron upwards near the root for volume, then crimp down back and forth as so. And now your hair will look softly crimped. Now finish off and continue to crimp, repeating the same process to the bottom section of your hair. With an elastic band, tie your bottom crimp section so that you won't have trouble crimping the next section of hair. And now you just want to repeat the same process to the rest of your hair and crimp all the way up to your top layer. And you're done. It took me less than 7 minutes to complete, and it's great to try if you're bored of always having straight hair.
And yeah, anyways, take care, bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.